everybody and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I have something super exciting, and I mean super exciting. Like you can tell by the title already, you can say if it's exciting for you or not, but for me it's really super exciting. Today I am unboxing my delivery from Tilbury. This is the first time ever that I got anything on Tilbury, and I bought this on her website, and of course I'm ordering the first time ever and I'm already getting one of the most expensive things. So, ta-da! Ta-da! Look at that! Exciting. Okay, look inside. So pretty packaged. Look! Ah, so lovely how they packaged everything. So this is the main thing. You actually feel like you bought something expensive. So here we have the Tilbury Luxury Lipstick Wardrobe Matte Revolution, and the 10 shades in here are Bond Girl, Sexy Sienna, Amazing Grace, Very Victoria, Lost Cherry, Walk of Shame, Love Liberty, Birkin Brown, Red Carpet Red, and Glastonbury. So many shades I wanted to get for ages, and now very exciting thing. Can I open it? Oh. Sorry. Look at that. And they're so pretty. Look at that. Look at the amazing packaging. Okay, the first color I got out is Bond Girl. Look at that amazing shade. I don't even know what to do now. I'm too afraid to use them. I actually thought about doing a swatch for every lipstick. I'm too afraid to do it. Oh my god, this is such a pretty colour. Look at how gorgeous this colour is. I love this so much. They feel so nice on the lips. Honestly, they are matte but so creamy and comfortable to wear. Honestly, can't get over it. So this is Bond Girl. It's a very nice, like, dark but nudie. I can't even explain what kind of colour this is. It's more like a darker nude colour, but it's pink and brown all at the same time. How would you describe this colour? Brownish pink nude? Maybe? So this is the first colour I tried, and this is Bond Girl. And I'm already in love with this formula and lipstick and with this whole thing. I don't even know what to say. I do not even want to take this off. I'm missing words at the moment. And I do not even want to take this off now because I feel like it's such a waste of product. But I want to show you every shade. It's so exciting. Some of you might just think that I'm very crazy, that I'm such excited about lipsticks. Okay, wipe that one off. Next shade. So this was Bond Girl, this one. Now going on to this one. I hope that I get the more nudie shades first. So here we have Sexy Sienna. This is definitely more like a pinky shade. This looks more like a coral pink. That's very pretty. That's so nice. For upcoming spring, imagine this colour. So this is Sexy Sienna. Such a nice colour. I'm pretty sure that every single colour in this collection is really nice. So the next shade is Amazing Grace, which is also a colour I really wanted to get. This is a very nice, like, dusky rosy pink. Looks so nice. So Amazing Grace. Such a nice cover. I feel like that's probably the most thing I will say in this video. Such a nice color. Look at how pretty this is. This is such a pretty color. Amazing Grace. Look at the dark pink, but it's not too vibrant. So this is Amazing Grace. I love it. Okay, the next shade I'm having here is Very Victoria. So this is like a dark brownish nude. This is a little bit like, maybe like Velvet Teddy from MAC, color-wise. Also a shimmer to it, a goldenish. So freaking comfortable. So this is Very Victoria. Okay, on to the next shade. 4 of 10 we have. Now it's the 5th. And here we have, it's Lost Cherry, which sounds like a more vibrant color. This is Lost Cherry, more like a corally, reddish, pinkish color. This is so pretty. Every single color is amazing. I was really worried because that was actually a huge thing. This thing costs €285. That's extremely crazy, and it's so crazy because I never actually tried any of these colors, and I was actually afraid that I would not like all of them or most of them, or that the formula would not suit me, or that all the colors would not suit me. I'm not too sure about this color if it suits me, but I love it. It's such a nice vibrant but not too out there coral color. It's definitely more like a corally red. What would you say? So this is Lost Cherry. Moving on, we have already half of it seen. Next one is Walk of Shame, and this one is more like a muted dark red. Looks very nice. Actually a color I really wanted to get, and I was so excited when I read that this is in this collection. Actually most of these colors I really wanted to get, so that's actually very nice that all of them are in here. So actually save money if you see that one of them costs I think €30 and you get 10 of them and pay less than 300. So oh, this is so right down my alley. Building the ability to apply lipstick. This is so pretty. Honestly, how can every single shade of these be pretty? Speechless. Speechless on how pretty these colors are. All of them. How it can be possible that all of them are pretty. So this is now Walk of Shame. It's more like a brick red maybe, but a very dark one. It's so pretty. I love it. I cannot even say which one is my favourite of these so far because I love all of them so much. Next one is Love Liberty, and this is more like a berry colour it seems. So this is now, what's it called? Love Liberty. Even though I applied it really crappy. How can every single shade be pretty? And next I have is now Birkin Brown. Wondering if that has anything to do with a Birkin bag. It's Birkin Brown. It's really like brown, but it seems to have like reddish or orangey undertones. Kind of starting to overdraw my lips, do I? So I cannot say anything about my favorite colors so far, but this is from all of them, possibly my least favorite maybe. It's just not a color I wear too often, but it's actually nice, quite unique, definitely to my collection. So this is Birkin Brown. Okay, and we're moving on to the last two shades, and second to last is Red Carpet Red. So this is a very nice, it's not a true red, it's a dark red, but it's so pretty already. So let's see how it looks on my lips. This is extremely, I don't even know what to say. Look how pretty this is, honestly. Do I really have to say anything about how pretty this color is? It's beautiful. I don't even think that there is a word which describes the beauty of this color. I might exaggerate a little bit, but I actually no. red carpet red. So velvety and rich colour. I don't even know what to say about it. It's totally overwhelming, like you can see. Me, who finds words for everything and who talks ages, I'm missing words. That's how it is. Does not want to go, like you can see. Okay, and here we go with the last shade of this amazing, overwhelming collection. And the last shade we have here is Glastonbury, which is a very, very dark berry colour. Besides me losing the ability to apply lipstick. So nice. So this is Glastonbury. Like you can see, a very dark, berryish purple colour. It's actually nice to apply because these dark lipsticks are most of the time pretty hard to apply. But this glides on like a dream. It's not easy to apply because probably I lost my ability to apply lipstick after 10 amazing lipsticks. But I love it. This lipstick is on my lipsticks to buy list for so long now. It had to come one day or another. So yes, this has been my unboxing, first impression and swatch video for these amazing lipsticks. I think it probably was one of the best decisions when it comes to buying makeup I ever made when I decided to get this. I'm so over the moon. I'm so happy. Every single shade in here is amazing. Besides Birkin Bag, which is an amazing shade. It's just Birkin Brown, not Birkin Bag. Besides Birkin Brown, which is just not too much my cup of tea when it comes to colours, but I'm pretty sure that I will make it work and that I will wear it. I would do it again. You have this amazing little box. You have 10 incredible lipsticks. I love every single one of them, even though I do love one a little bit less. But I love it. I'm so happy. Honestly, I'm very easy to please. Maybe, but it's 10 amazing lipsticks. It's a dream coming true basically by buying this, by finally being able to afford it. I cannot even describe how I feel at the moment. I'm so happy. I will stop now. This is the best thing ever. I'm the happiest version of myself. When it comes to buying lipsticks, this was the best thing I ever did. Not a single cell in my body who thinks you might have not needed it. Of course I did not need it, but I wanted it for ages and I really just wanted to get Tilbury products. Now I have so many lipsticks. I will wear them as long as it's somehow possible and I can't wait. So maybe I should start a kind of, I don't know, a series about creating a look around a lipstick. I might do that. If you'd be interested in something like that, let me know. And that has been my video for today. Thank you so much for watching it. Let me know what you think about the shades, which shade was the prettiest, which shades you have, which shades you love, which shades you would love to get, which shade looked the nicest on me, and what you think about me being so crazy, and what you think about the brand, and just all your thoughts, please, in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss all the looks I will create with these lipsticks. Also give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and thank you so much for sharing it with your friends. So I will see you in my next video next week. I hope that you have a wonderful time. Take care and